Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add a small reference number in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add a small reference number. Go to the insert menu. Then click symbol option. Then choose more symbol. Now we can see here many symbols. We select a number symbol, then insert it and insert another number, then close. Now we can see here we add small reference number very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.